What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily remove the background in Photoshop. So let's get right into it. Make sure your properties window is open on the right side. If it's not, click on Window and check mark the Properties option. Once you are on Properties, scroll down and click on Remove Background. Then make sure you click on this image in Layer 1 option and click on Select and Mask. Turn your opacity all the way up to 100%. And if you need to delete some part of the image, go to the Quick Selection tool and click on the minus and choose how thick you want the cursor to be. If you want to zoom in, just press Ctrl plus if you are on Windows and Command if you are on Mac. Once you are done and ready, click on OK. And that's it, guys. How to easily remove the background in Photoshop. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.